Alright, there it is. There's my old Craftsman Atlas 6-inch lathe, 18 inches between centers. I've done a lot of work to this thing to get it operational, functional. The carriage feed, it was broken. And the half nut lever engagement, it was missing. And the little cam that goes inside was sheared off right there. And here's a little container of things I've kept. This is for the ram lock. It's coming in the mail. But well, if I can get it out, that's what's left of my carriage feed. So I replaced it. You had to have gloves on to turn it. And then the little cam that goes in the half nut lever, when I got it out of there, it came out in pieces. And then there's some other Zamac pieces in there. The quill lock or the ram lock, some of it. And then there's this little, it's a bushing for the gears. They're very brittle and they broke. But I was able to get 2 new of those from Sears. Parts replacement. And I had the motor mounted. I got the table all kicked out at a 45-degree angle right now because I'm working behind it. It's not up against the wall, but I had the motor mounted in here the other way, and it kind of hung off the bench a little and was on the other bench. So I'm working on I reversed the rotation of the motor. I'm going to bolt it down in this position, kind of tighten it up like that. But the problem is, that's as tight as my belt can get. Oh, I had to make this little knob. I had the lathe running. This is for changing the forward and reverse when you're threading. I made that out of 1-inch aluminum. In fact, I still have it over here. It says what it is on it. It's 6160, 1 inch, 2 foot long. It's no longer 2 foot long. They cut some off of it. And I fought with these antiquated tool posts. I really don't like them, and I spent too much money figuring out that I don't like them. And I got the quick change. Boy, this thing is something else. And the little tool bit with the carbide tips that you can change out. Oh, what a life changer. Alright, well there it is. There's my Craftsman 6-inch swing lathe. Back from the graveyard. And it's, see if I can get that on camera. That's a 101.0731. That's the model number, and basically, that means it has the brass bearings in here. It's not the tapered Timken bearings, which I understand are better. But it is what it is. And here's a little homemade carriage stop. But you can see the chips in there. I've been having a lot of fun with it. Alright. There she is. Y'all have a good evening.